Hi, engineers. Recruiters skim in seconds. Your resume is not your life story. It's a risk filter. Today, we'll fix 7 common QA/SDET resume mistakes, explain why each hurts you, and replace them with copy you can type right now. Assume you've got 3 years, a mix of manual plus automation, and a realistic tool set. Let's set up the doc. Open Google Docs. New blank file. Center only the header. Line 1. Full name. Font size is 16 to 18. Line 2. Role, QA engineer or SDET. Line 3. City, email, LinkedIn, GitHub, phone on one line. Switch back to left alignment for everything else. Mistake 1. Fluffy summary with no signal. Why it's a mistake. Top space is prime real estate. Vague lines like team player seeking growth give no search terms for ATS and no outcomes for humans. Here's the fix that works. 3 compact lines that state scope, domains, outcomes, and tools. This gives scanners immediate confidence and hits ATS keywords. Type this, summary, header 3. QA engineer with 3 years across web and API testing. I reduce release risk with stable smoke suites, API checks, and CI hygiene. Tools, Playwright or Cypress, Postman, REST, SQL, GitHub Actions. Mistake 2. Task bullets instead of impact. Why it's a mistake. Tasks are identical across candidates. Hiring managers need proof you changed a metric, derisked a path, or saved time. And the fix that works. Impact formula equals action plus what plus how much. Numbers make claims credible and comparable. Type this pattern, work experience, header 3. Company, dates, and title on the next line. Moved critical negatives to the API layer. Reduced the UI suite from 70 to 28 minutes while increasing the failure signal. Built Playwright smoke, 12 cases, to gate merges. Prevented 2P0 regressions and staging. Why it works. Clear action, specific area, measurable delta. Mistake 3. No metrics anywhere. Why it's a mistake. Managers think in deltas, not adjectives. Without numbers, they can't gauge scale or ROI. And the fix that works. Add 1 number per bullet. If you don't track yet, use honest, bounded estimates derived from CI, dashboards, or issue counts. Numbers to mine. Flakiness rate, suite runtime, mean time to detect, escape defects, critical path coverage, parallelism speedup, and build minutes saved. Example, reduced suite runtime 35% from 46 to 30 minutes by parallelizing and trimming duplicate UI checks. Mistake 4. Tool soup, random lists. Why it's a mistake. Mixed categories force readers to hunt. ATS may downrank scattered skills. And the fix that works. Group by use. Keep to what you can use today. This speeds scanning and clarifies breadth. Type this, technical skills, header 3. Automation and language, Playwright or Cypress, JavaScript or TypeScript. API and data, Postman, REST, JSON, SQL. CI and environments, GitHub Actions, Docker, Linux. Testing practices, risk-based testing, test pyramid, exploratory. Why it works. Recruiters find their keywords instantly. You look structured. Mistake 5. Only UI E2E, no pyramid thinking. Why it's a mistake. Heavy UI E2E is slow, flaky, and expensive. It signals a weak strategy. And the fix that works. Show that you keep a thin UI top. Push most checks to API/integration and use contract/units where possible. Add bullets like designed thin UI smoke, 15 cases, for P0 flows, shifted negatives/boundaries to API tests, and added contract tests for payment service. Caught 2 breaking schema changes pre-merge. Why it works. You demonstrate cost control and reliability, not just tool usage. Mistake 6. ATS-hostile formatting. Why it's a mistake. Tables, 2 columns, icons, and images break parsers. Pretty templates get mangled. And the fix that works. 1 column, standard headings, normal bullets, black text, white background. Hyperlinks plain texted. Export PDF for sending. Keep the doc for edits. Checklist here. Header 3 for all section titles, consistent. 11 to 12 font size body. 1 page for 3 years. No tables, columns, and icons. Clickable LinkedIn and GitHub. Why it works. Both bots and humans can read it fast and correctly. Mistake 7. No proof links. Why it's a mistake. Everyone claims automation. Proof de-risks you. And the fix that works. Add 1 or 2 safe links. A tiny public test repo, a sanitized test plan, or a short write-up. Add projects or proof, optional. Playwright smoke demo, public repo. 6 tests, network stubs, trace on fail. API test collection, sanitized, auth, happy, boundary, negative. Why it works. Shows you can build, not just list tools. Work experience pattern for 3 years. Company dates. And a title on the next line. Outcome with a number. Pyramid and strategy signal. CI and reliability signal. Collaboration and ownership signal, paired with devs, improved observability, etc. Keep 4 to 6 bullets per job. Newer work first. Live rewrites so it sticks. Weak. Wrote Cypress tests for login. Strong. Hardened login with 6 playwright cases using API-seeded users and token reuse. Prevented 2 staging incidents. Weak. Maintained regression suite. Strong. Cut regression time 40% by parallelizing jobs and removing duplicate UI paths. Stabilized flakiness from 10% to 3%. Section Order Recap. Header, Summary, Technical Skills, Work Experience, Certifications, Optional or Brief, Education, Brief, Projects or Proof, Optional as well. So here's the final audit list. Same header style across sections. Every bullet has a number, skills grouped by use, links clickable, dates and titles consistent. PDF export looks identical to the doc. Now, the interview handoff tip. When you've been asked, walk me through your resume, pick any bullet and deliver, problem, action, result in 30 seconds, then 10 seconds on what I'd improve next. That shows clarity, ownership, and learning. And wrap. Why those 7 are mistakes. They hide the signal and waste the reader's effort. Why these fixes work. They surface outcomes, compress context, and match how hiring teams read. Type the templates above, inject your real numbers, and you'll look like someone who reduces risk and time from day one. Now you're 1% smarter. The cheat code is consistency, so keep boosting your brain. Make it your daily routine, and you will nail your next interview. Same rhythm tomorrow at Code Crack Interviews.